Beat the block up, free my partner. Speak with honor, beat the posture. A seasoned scholar, I keep it proper, demon stalker. Eat the chopper, he leaking lava, need a doctor. Keep your chakra, I see the Father, stand holy, stand lowly. Can't control me, favor on me, hating on me. Fake and phony, load the bases. I'm going places, I'm closing cases, poker faces, no folding, flaking. Jehovah say the young, crazy, rowdy Clayton County resident. I've been places you never went. I got cousins who spin the block and make the chopper stutter like a speaking impediment. Say, la homie, the reason you buy a bull is probably cause you ain't reading the testament. It would lessen your lessons unless sin is just your element. That's elementary like elemental P. I could go from show to show and toe to pole as long as totem pose if you want it. I'd rather show a soul to the scrolls that Jehovah spoke. When he wrote it, I'm floating, I've been having. I got killer serving, life sentences hitting me. You know the bar is real when they giving my penitentiary in the penitentiary. Make your list, but don't forget to mention me. They call me the Big 450. Cause when I spit, I hit my target. The flow up and down like crypto market. The way my body covered in the blood, I'm just praying a crypto market. This gon' spark it, get your guard up, cause I'm darting at any, mini, mighty picker artist. They say how he get metaphors and deliveries with all of the synonyms. It's cause one day he metaphors that delivered he from all of the synonym. Monty a proven prodigy for nothing. I grew a colony, a true monopoly. For demons to choose to follow me, the bullets start flying. Something like Deuteronomy. Gas, gunning, trash, dumping facts, pumping cow. Crushing the industry, done tried to beat me down. Man, I wish my dog could see me now. Couldn't feed my child, they evil foul. They wonder how I even smile. I slept on the floor while they slept on my flow. Guess we even now. Hey, I'm a certified speaker knocker. I can make you delete your roster. Hey, label head sending frequent offers, but I promise I don't need your dollar. Most of these rappers just acting on the internet and they need an Oscar. Without the web, you Peter Parker. I make demons flee and holler when I beat the block up. Free my partner. Speak with honor, beat the posture. A seasoned scholar. I keep it proper, demon stalker. Eat the chopper, he leaking lava, need a doctor. Keep your chakra, I see the Father, stand holy, stand lowly. Can't control me, favor on me, hating on me. Fake and phony, load the bases. I'm going places, I'm closing cases, poker faces, no folding, flaking. Jehovah say the young, crazy, rowdy Clayton County resident. Golden ticket, I'm on the road to riches. I cannot fold on difference, so persistent. She know I'm on the mission. Lately I'm cold and distant. Golden inches, I'm one of the chosen children. They got the wrong intention. Roller engine, told me pick my soul of the system. So I went to the solar system. Load the spaceship, I know where I'm going, where I'm aiming. I'm on that Moses, David, Joseph, Jacob. I've been on the road, let's take it. That's where I hold my faith in, so forsaken. I know they won't embrace me. They got me so mistaken, chose to face it. I was on a broken pavement, I cannot hold this pain in. Whoa, I've been down too long, it's time to lift off. Never dropped the flow that they ain't bit off. They was locked and loaded when they slid off. Thank the Lord that they ain't fight that stick off. I know he returning like a kickoff. Get the scent off of me, watch it rinse off. You can't be me, you a spin off of me. Check the list off, they handicapped out like a crip walk, big top. We was on the move, getting lit off, big dog. Just another sinner like a tip off, pitfall. Look at all the misery the sin brought. Swinging on the beat, we fist fought. Monty been called, knock your wig off. Jehovah, the rock of ages. That's why I pray to God, not crystal. Stop the riddles, falling mid moccasin. Knock your moccasins, I'll probably pop your lid off. Got some folks in the slammer for swinging them hammers. They say that I'm liable to crash out. It's some spots in Atlanta, if you don't bring manners, it's likely that you gon' get papped out. Losing sleep cause I can't shake the hell of the smell of dead bodies inside of that crack house. You think I'ma let you at your table, a soups at the label, tell me how to rap now. I'm the chief, I'm the one, I'm the feast, you the crumb. I'm a priest till he come, I never backed out. I'm the teeth, you the gun, you the seed, I'm the sun. Laser beam on the gun, I'm finna blast out. I've been tweaking on the drums, in the seat, I'm with the sun. I got demons on the run, I brought the bats out. Last season it was fun, they was thinking I was done. I was heating up the run, I got a text now. Yeah, I was seated back in the back, I'm the reason rappers attack. You gon' need to actually rap to see me react to your track. I don't need a flat, I'ma keep repeating facts. Disassemble, float and reattach, the king is back. Wait, I got this wine from above, like a bartender, I poet. They told me rebuke him with love. Now my bar's tender, I'm a poet. I'ma show it, I'ma sow it, Yahweh grow it. That's the motive, flow is golden, it's too potent, they can't hold it. They get they place from rodent kitchens, they been coping with it. All these bars will turn your whole home to prison. I'ma go the distance, break they golden image. Way the flow been switching, gave you motion sickness. I got the golden ticket, I'm on the road to riches. I can cannot fold, I'm different, so persistent. She know I'm on the mission. Lately I'm cold and distant, golden inches. I'm one of the chosen children. They got the wrong intention. Roller engine told me pick my soul of the system, so I went to the solar system. Load the spaceship. I know where I'm going, where I'm aiming. I'm on that Moses, David, Joseph, Jacob. I've been on the road, let's take it. That's where I hold my faith in. So forsaken. I know they won't embrace me. They got me so mistaken. Chose to face it. I was on a broken pavement. I cannot hold this pain in.